Hey guys, I'm here again. So today I'm answering the most common question: how to withdraw money from Pocket Auction platform. Do I even know it? Indeed, I will walk you through it step by step. It's basically simple process. Takes just a couple of minutes, but waiting for your money, that's another story. It can take from 1 to 5 business days, depending on your method, location, and KYC verification. But usually it's faster. So come and check it. So now let me show you how this process works. You already see Pocket Auction terminal. Here you just go to finance. So click withdrawal and boom. Basically half of the work is already done. For me, crypto withdrawals is the best option. I usually use USDT in TRC20 network. You can pick another method, what's more comfortable for you. I'll enter the amount, let's say 1,000, and copy and paste my wallet address. In this case, as I said, this is TRC20 USDT wallet. Well, as you can see, withdrawal request has been sent. Hit continue, and now we'll wait. Once the money leaves your account, you'll see it in the transaction history. If you have hit your withdrawal limit, you will have to wait. Now we're waiting. I don't want to waste time, so I'll open a few trades, then hit the gym, and I will show you when the money arrives in my account. Let's see what we've got here. This pair looks good, placing a 500 trade. Not on this pair. Yes, this one looks good. Well, let's sell. Today I will not use indicators. I will just open based on my experience and using trend. Well, that's close. I even got a bit nervous about this trading emotion. And also, I love money. Whoa, yeah. That was close. I even got a bit nervous. But yeah, we secured profit. Let's check our withdrawing. It's still in the process, you see. And in this time, we open another trade. Let's check for it. Let's choose the pair with strong trend. I will use today just trading with no indicators, based on my experience and based on strong trend. I mentioned this strategy in previous video. And by the way, also in my last video, I explained why trends are called bullish and bearish and how to read candlesticks. Go and check it. No indicators today, purely based on experience and trend analysis. Yes, but I need to find a good pair first. But I will try to find something better. Patient, guys, patient. Yes, let's find here the opening point. This is strong bullish, and I will open here based on the strategy. $500. If you want to know about this strategy, check my previous videos. I just remind you that now we're waiting for 1,000 withdrawal was made. Just a patient. There is just a patient, like also here to open a right trade. Yes, just like that. While waiting for our 1,000 withdrawal, we already made another one. That's great news. And let's check the history. We're still waiting for withdrawal. Let me also show you my Gmail, because Pocket Auction always send you the confirmation of your withdrawal. As you can see, here it looks like a bank document. So yeah, here all the information you need to know about your status. Now it's processed. So guys, let me go to the gym now, and after this, I will show you the money on my account.
A few moments later.
As I always say, patience is the key, and deposits are always faster than withdrawals. But it's the same everywhere, you know? And let's check. Let's check the history. The withdrawal process is complete, as you can see, and there it is. I can already see the funds in my crypto wallet. And after this, you already know what to do. Likes, subscribes, and turn on the notification about new videos. Also, don't forget that I have a great Telegram channel. Come and join there. This is free trading signals there. So that's it for today. Good luck and happy trading.